Now, I actually seen this post on, shout out to my boy JR Wisdom. JR Wisdom actually posted this, man, and I was like, yo, we got to do a little deep dive with this young lady with the greasy face. She got a greasy face, boy. Hey, skincare on point, though. She got that glass skin. She taking care of herself. She ain't stressed. I ain't mad at it. Shout out to you. But anyway, we're going to let her cook, man, and we'll jump into this. Let go.
Yeah, baby, I like you, but I like somebody else too. But I'm gonna see who I like the most. And although I'm telling you I ain't talking to nobody else, I ain't gonna tell you the truth because if I tell you the truth, you ain't gonna be able to handle it. You gonna start treating me different, and if you treat me different, then I might not like you the same. So yeah, if you ask me if I'm talking to somebody else, I'm gonna tell you no. If
Mm.
you ask me if I'm sexually active with somebody else, I'm gonna say it's been a while, even though I'm breaking
Wow.
somebody off just so I can hold out for you.
Mm.
Yeah, baby, I like you.
Man, these mofos, that's nasty, man. Now we done got to the point now where you got these women that are not only just acting like this, but they literally put it out here for the entire social media. This video has been seen, did it say over 7,000 times by possibly 7,000 different people? You putting this information out there, why? Like, is that dog hairs? Or is it just her weave hairs? Man, fellas, y'all better be careful, man, about who y'all dealing with, man, because they putting all this doggone information out there, just nasty. Probably ain't protected. Probably just getting slayed by this person and that person. Ugh, disgusted, man. Just disgusted. If most men were brutally honest while dating, this is okay, okay. I did not read the title. Okay. All right. So I guess she made a video. Okay, all right. She got me. I did not read the title until I seen this on again Jr. Wisdom, and I figured like I just heard just the first part. I was like, wait,
But I
what?
like somebody else too, but I'm gonna see who I like the most.
What? That thing literally threw me the freak off. Now I don't give a damn who you is, man or woman. Nobody should be lying, right? And if you are dealing with somebody and somebody asks you, yo, I need to know. Is there somebody else? You know what I'm saying? Or like what are we doing? I think that all of that information need to be established first and foremost. Yo, I'm gonna tell you what my standards are. I'm gonna tell you the way that I'm approaching this thing. And if you not on what I'm on, let me know now. You ain't matter of fact, you ain't even gotta let me in your business like that if you don't want to, because I don't even know all the details. I can just tell you right here and right now, as a woman. If you are a woman out there, yo, I'm looking for a guy that is looking to be in a committed relationship. I'm looking for a guy right now that's not sleeping with a bunch of women. I eventually want to be married. I eventually want to have children. Those are the things that I want to, go ahead and set the doggone standard for right now. If you're not on that type of time, let me know right now. And I think that that should be established up freaking front. Like, I'm not saying like that's the first thing that should come out your mouth in a conversation, but if we kicking it, if we talking, we enjoying each other's company or whatever, and we checking off most of those doggone boxes before we get to either date one, you know what I'm saying? Again, if we just been sitting here talking and kicking it or whatever, or if we on date one, then let's just go ahead and just lay it out right now. I'm not saying that I'm looking to be married today or tomorrow, but I'm letting you know this is what I'm on right now. If you're not on that, let me know. And I don't think that most guys, I could be wrong. I don't think that most guys are equipped to just sit there and just lie about stuff like that. What I think or what I have seen is most people don't even ask these type of questions when they're on dates. They just don't. The vetting process is so effed up. It's so freaking effed up. You don't have like they don't ask them any real question. What's your favorite color? Oh, what you like to do? What do you do? Like what are we doing here? Like, are we trying to be friends or are we trying to work up to something? Like I need to know where your headspace is at, fam. Like, man, I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know how y'all do it, but if it were me, if I was in y'all situation, I don't give a damn how uncomfortable you feel. These are questions that I have and I need answers respectfully. If you not willing to at least be upfront and honest with me, then yo, we don't even need to take it there. We really don't. Anybody that can't openly communicate about stuff like this pertaining to relationships, if I'm looking to be in a relationship and you don't even want to talk about it, okay, cool. Hey, listen, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I'm gonna go ahead and pay for me. And yeah, I'm gonna holler at you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Shake hands and go about your doggone business. And that just saved you years and years of BS. But I don't think that most guys are actually out here again doing the most. I know she and she got me with that though, but I was a little bit confused. I was like, man, damn, ooh, brother, ooh, what's that? But yeah, y'all let me know. What do you guys think about this, man? Do y'all think that most men, most, because it says most, do y'all think that most men are out here moving like this? Let me know down in the comments, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was you know they